Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahil. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you how to convert a shape to a text frame. So first I'm going to draw this rectangle shape. To convert this to text frame, we need to right click and click on convert to text frame. Now that it is converted to text frame, I can write anything. Or I can select all the texts and increase the size or change the font style or font. So this is how we can convert a shape to text frame with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. Take care and goodbye.